everybody, it's Mimi J. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul today. It's been a little while since I did a Dollar Tree haul, and a few things from Tuesday morning. So a little bit of a combined haul. And you've seen Lily, my Chinese crested powder puff. These are both rescue dogs. We believe in rescuing dogs around here instead of buying from kennels. I wanted to make sure that you got to meet Rango. He's been running around a little bit. He is also a rescue dog. And he's a Bichon, although he does not have the haircut for that. And his hair's, his fur is getting a bit scruffy. He's gonna have to get a bath in a few days and get groomed. But I'm gonna put him down because he's not that comfortable on the couch. Maybe they'll be calm. All right, let me show you first what I got from Tuesday morning because, fix this a little bit. I just can't get comfortable with this camera today and the angle, or I'm dressed up a little bit because we're going to take my daughter-in-law out to eat for her birthday tonight, and my son. That would be Mark and Catherine. That's who we're taking out. Okay, enough of that. Tuesday morning, had this. I actually got a couple weeks ago. I just haven't had a chance to do a haul video. These are Christmas. If you can look at all of these. About a dozen here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 times 6, 24. Right, math. English majors aren't very good at math, but I believe that's 24. Okay, so this is Christmas. I'm planning to use this for Christmas crafts. Lots and lots of ribbon. It was $6.99 and 20% off of that. Start making some Christmas ornaments. Some gold reflections micro beads for $1.99. I don't know, can you see them? Is it focused? My camera usually does a pretty good job of that. It's got a mug that was also on sale. So unplug and stay a while. It was $3.99, but also it was 20% off. I just sometimes buy mugs I don't need for coffee, just because sometimes you want to use something a little different. Just a little pack of twine and tags, chalkboard tags, I believe. They certainly look like it. And those were just 99 cents. And some stencil paint, metallic, in this really pretty pink color. Okay, now Dollar Tree haul. And let me get on with that. I loved these. They are so cute. These peel and stick stickers, generally for the wall, but that's not what I'm going to use them for. I think they're just about the right size to make some pretty coasters. For $1, you get 6 just gorgeous farm images. Got a horse, geese, another horse, a rooster, cow, and some goats. Love the goats. We don't live on a farm, but we're kind of right next to people who have chickens, if that counts. And we do watch those chickens when they go out of town and get to keep the eggs. So that's pretty cool. Feed the chicken. You don't have to watch them too much. You have to feed them mainly and collect the eggs. Okay, this from Dollar Tree. I know that you've probably seen this many times, but I had not come across this particular one, and that means a lot to me. Faith, hope, love. Not hard to live without those things. Okay, and just a couple of little keychains, puffy heart. I fix little boxes, especially with Christmas I say coming up, it's several months away, but be here before you know it. Like to have some little things like this to put in children's Christmas boxes that we do through church. Just some planter, I don't know what you call them, six-pack of, doesn't say, but you know what they are. You put them under planters to catch the runoff, the water. 6 for $1. Not bad. Okay. I should work for Dollar Tree. Yeah. I'm just kidding. You get such good buys at Dollar Tree. It's a great place to shop. Okay, composition books. I thought they had some very nice patterns. You know, they've got all that back to school stuff now. So that's one. And this one, very pretty. A little glare on it, but isn't that pretty? And 2 more. These patterns are so nice. And one of these kind of matches my outfit. There we go. Need a dress made out of this material. Dollar Tree, could you start carrying some material, some fabric, and make some with this pattern on it? All right, what else have we got? Some crafting items here. Some glue dots. I don't use many permanent glue dots. So these 36 in here. I need those. Double-sided tape by Jot. And we have some, we'll have some portfolios, just some little binders to keep things in and organize. And hey, that one even matches one of the composition books. A real pretty pattern here. Bright, very bright. So you get 2 in each pack, so they're actually just 50 cents a piece for these patterned ones. Okay, again for crafts, 2 for $1. I'll use them for some kind of packaging for, I don't know, probably magnets for the craft show. Don't use too many of them because they're pricier than, you know, just using plastic bags and paper decorations on top. What else do we have? Oh, some more of these, because I won't show you all of these. They're just to make the little altered mixed media notebooks, journals, whatever you want to use them for. Got this, thought this was adorable. I like it just like it is. I don't think I want to cover that up. He's cute. A little, I'd call that kawaii. Would you call that kawaii? I don't know if I'm saying that right. I hope so. Japanese sounding kawaii. That's what it looks like to me. Reminds me a bit of Tokidoki. Oh, I got some frames. These are, again, for craft projects. And I'll show you what I make with those when I get that done. Apparently just needed a lot of notebooks, or just liked the patterns that I saw on them, the designs. This is cute. Life is my favorite adventure. Not bad. Soft, pretty colors, and this is a 3-pack of these little notebooks, the spiral ones that come from the top. Goodbye, 33 cents, 33 1/3 cents. I gotta stop doing math. That will hurt my brain. 33 1/3 cents. Okay. Dream on the clear. I may add something to that. I like the white, and I had not seen this at Dollar Tree before. Nice work, Dollar Tree. I really like this. I know that's probably, I can't get to it. Plastic. It's not heavy enough, I don't think, to be glass, but it looks fine. All right, what else have we got here? I got some of these frames. Again, I think I'm going to try to use them for a DIY. Several of these, the little mirrored, and 2.5 by 3.5 inches. A stencil. Been looking for this stencil for a while. Did not see it at my Dollar Trees until very recently. Home Sweet Home. Love these little stencils. Has anybody used them yet? Haven't used mine yet, but I will be soon. The family one, and Live, Laugh, Love. So the text ones have some batteries. Got some batteries, and you've all seen batteries, I'm sure. But these are the Dollar Tree batteries. Sunbeam, that's the name brand, right? I think it is. I've heard of Sunbeam. And they're just AAA. You can't beat that. Eight batteries for $1. When do we not need batteries? Always we need batteries. Tea Tree Body Oil, Pure Silk. I think that's a good brand. I don't know, but it's certainly worth a try. And oil goes a really long way. One more bag, last bag, and haven't tried Mike and Ike. The flavors here sound delicious. I may give it to my daughter-in-law or my son, actually, because I'm thinking, I need this. I don't think so. And I don't know that chocolate is actually, it is. Chocolate fudge is one of the flavors. You think they'd notice if I went through and picked out the chocolate fudge ones? No, I won't do that, I promise. I'll just give it to them like it is. This style notebook, which I've bought these before, and they make nice little recipe booklets. Some people, and I think it's great, just want to write out their recipes here and leave them for someone, you know, or maybe just use them like that. And you don't have to write them out if you've got something that you printed out on the computer, which I do that a lot now. Find recipes on the computer, and you know, then I can't ever find them. Well, I printed out that recipe. What do I do with it? Well, cut them and paste them in here. Like that double-sided tape. That would work. But you can make them very decorative too, and sell them at craft fairs. Another one of these, did not mean to repeat. These you've already seen. A couple more of those frames. And so I guess this is the last item. Oh, no, it isn't. I have two little bags over here. And, but I'm about out of time. So this may have to be the last item. Tiny little notepad, but very pretty. Try to get the glare off it. It's hard in this odd light. Okay, sorry, I'm a little flushed. It's hot today. Very hot, humid. All right. It was nice talking to you, and the dogs behaved so well. I'll have to feed them when I get off because it's almost 6. And I'll edit this tonight and get it up because we'll be leaving shortly. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you will come back. Oh, Lily came back. If you haven't already and you're really into Dollar Tree hauls, and like I said, I had Tuesday morning today, so I love doing them, and so if you like watching them, please click like and click subscribe and come back and see me. Oh, you can click the bell. If you click the bell, you get a little notification every time I post a video. So, thanks again. Bye.